Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Windows Update error code 0x80070641 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you're having an issue trying to open up Windows Update or the updates just are not working properly, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and go ahead and run that. And then I'd recommend following along with the prompts as it best fits or classifies into the problem that you are experiencing. So this might take some time to run. Just go ahead and follow along with the steps here. If you're still having a problem after following through with that, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is a DISM scan. Go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Give us a couple minutes to run. Once that has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the next command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility scan. Okay, so once that has concluded, you can see it did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.